Using a community feature is one of the most powerful ways to boost course completion rates. It helps your students feel connected, supported, and more engaged, which directly leads to higher course retention. In this video, we'll walk through how you can leverage a community feature to increase course completion step by step, so stay tuned. The first thing to understand is that community features provide a space where learners can interact with one another. This social connection is key to keeping students motivated. By offering a platform where they can ask questions, share ideas, and connect with like-minded learners, you help them feel part of a collective learning experience. This is critical because it creates a sense of accountability. Next, it's important to incorporate discussion prompts. You don't want the community feature to be a passive space. Encourage students to share their experiences or reflect on lessons. This not only sparks conversation, but also promotes deeper understanding of the material. By encouraging discussions, you're providing an opportunity for students to reinforce their knowledge and keep the course top of mind. You can also gamify the community. People love competition, especially when it's friendly. Reward students for their engagement with badges or points for contributions, helping to build excitement around completing the course. This boosts motivation, making it more likely that students will push through to the end. A great way to integrate this is by offering incentives for reaching milestones in the community. For example, when a student finishes a module, they can unlock a special reward or recognition within the community. These rewards act as a powerful motivator and give students something to work towards. Plus, it fosters a sense of accomplishment as they move through the course. Another thing to keep in mind is personalization. Make sure the community feature feels tailored to your course. Segmenting the community into smaller, more specific groups based on course topics or skill levels can help learners connect with others who are on the same path. This reduces the feeling of overwhelm, making the learning experience feel more manageable and supportive. Lastly, consider incorporating regular live check-ins or Q&A sessions within the community. This not only adds value to your students' experience, but gives them an opportunity to ask questions, receive feedback, and interact directly with you or other course facilitators. This regular interaction shows that you're invested in their success and can increase course completion rates. To recap, using a community feature to boost course completion comes down to fostering engagement, encouraging discussions, introducing gamification, rewarding milestones, personalizing the experience, and maintaining regular interaction with your students. The key takeaway here is that a vibrant, supportive community can be the game changer in keeping students engaged and pushing them to complete your course. And remember, the software we're using in this video can help you implement all these strategies. If you want to follow along and try it for yourself, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Don't forget to take advantage of that trial and apply these tips to your course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.